If you're noticing food particles, odors, or even water spots on your dishes, it's probably time to give your dishwasher a thorough cleaning. Fortunately, cleaning your dishwasher doesn't require calling a technician. It's something you can easily handle yourself. In this article, I'll walk you through how to clean dishwasher DIY, step by step, to help keep your appliance running smoothly and your dishes spotless. Start by removing the bottom rack and inspecting the spray arms. Over time, food debris can clog the spray nozzles, preventing water from reaching all areas of the dishwasher. Take a toothpick or a small brush and gently clear any blockages from the spray holes. Once that's done, check the filter at the bottom of the machine. Most dishwashers have a removable filter that collects debris during the wash cycle. If your filter is clogged, it can hinder the dishwasher's performance and even cause bad smells. Remove it and rinse it under warm water, scrubbing gently with a brush if necessary. Next, it's time to clean the interior. A simple solution of white vinegar and water is perfect for breaking down grime and mineral deposits that accumulate over time. Place a cup of vinegar in a dishwasher-safe container and place it on the top rack. Run a hot water cycle with the dishwasher empty. This will help eliminate any lingering odors and clean the interior walls. If you want to go further, you can sprinkle baking soda on the bottom of the dishwasher and run another cycle. Baking soda helps to freshen things up and can also help remove stubborn stains. While learning how to clean dishwasher DIY, don't forget to address the door and the gasket. Wipe down the door with a damp cloth to remove any detergent residue, and be sure to clean the rubber gasket around the door. This area can collect water and food particles, which can lead to mold and mildew. A simple wipe with a cloth dipped in a vinegar solution will do the trick. For a final touch, make sure the drain is clear. If the drain is clogged, it can cause water to pool at the bottom of your dishwasher, leading to poor cleaning results. Inspect the drain for any food particles or debris and remove them carefully. Now that you know how to clean dishwasher DIY, remember to make this a regular part of your maintenance routine. Cleaning your dishwasher every couple of months will not only improve its performance, but also extend its lifespan. With these easy steps, your dishwasher will run like new and your dishes will come out sparkling clean. If you follow these steps and keep up with regular maintenance, you should have a trouble-free dishwasher that does its job efficiently. Good luck and happy cleaning!